Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So I have now just had a live session where I trade at Pocket Option. This have been at the Discord. So if you did not find this live session on YouTube, that's because I was in Discord. So if you want to follow me live there, you find the link below the video. It's the first link you find is for Discord. So there I trade live every Saturday. I have done till now. But for some reasons I come into a little later. I will not do that more. I am rather going to be trading them live every single day, Monday till Friday. That will be from 23 of October. Okay, so till then I will not trade live more on Pocket Option before 23 of October. Okay, but what you can do till I start trading live, and I will explain later on this video when I show my results and all this good stuff why I'm doing so. Okay, so first of all, if you have account with Pocket Option from before, make sure you withdraw your money. I will also explain why. Withdraw your money, close down your account, okay, and reopen with my link. The reason for that is, first of all, you can only have one account when we're talking about Pocket Option. So that's point number one. Then you think, why should I close down the one account I have? Well, the reason for that is that I give you a super account. I give you 60%, okay, 60% of my affiliate income back to you. So every single time you trade, you get cash back. So that's reason number one. Reason number two, if you withdraw all your money, close down your account and repost this money into, if you deposit more than $100, I give you 50% extra on your first deposit. This, you don't need to put in a promo code, you don't need to do nothing. Is automatically with the link you find below the video. Okay, so that is two good reasons for you to close down your old account and reopen with my link. Okay, so I hope you'll do that. Now I explain why I'll not trade more in Saturdays and all this good and bad stuff. Okay, so let me now show you. The reason for that is OTC market. Well, I'm trading $100 up to $200 in my live sessions, and I'm trading early in the morning, at least in my time zone, and we'd see that we have perfect entries where we take trades, and every single time, almost when I take a trade, we see so clearly that it's manipulated. Of course, we know OTC market is like a casino. Casino always win. So the only reason you can win on OTC is that your bid is lower than the other ones that are trading at the same time like you. But as I'm taking a little bigger trades, basically we can see clearly that right away I did push the button, the market, the wrong direction. So I will not trade more on OTC because I clearly see that it's not even fun. It's not even fun at all. We see that we are losing. And if you go here now to the trades I did today, I basically lost $316. A little more because we can go over here. Let's go to this one here. By the way, also you can cancel trades. I don't do it. I'm saving for a rainy day. I always said that because you have in the marketplace, you can activate this. So every time you're doing trade, I think if I wanted now, I can cancel maybe up to like $5,000. But of course, this is not unlimited. If it was unlimited, we will all be millionaire today. But this is something you can do. I'm just saving it up. So one day I really need the money, I can cancel a lot of trades. Okay. So if you take the trades, let's say if I can get just for today, apply, there. So you can see I have a 25% win rate and I lost $317. I'm laughing, but I'm not laughing. Understand? So that's the thing. Let's go back to the trading, quick trader there. So it's not funny when you start to see your account is getting smaller. Now in 2 live sessions I've done in row now for OTC market in a Saturday, I basically lost both of them money. I also did put some money into my MetaTrader 5 account. I have never started. If you want me to trade some Forex, let me know. I will do it. Maybe you can throw a robot there if you want that. We can put one. I have many robots for Forex and they are super good. So if you want that, let me know. We can throw in someone, we can let that be running. And you can have these robots from me. If that's something interesting about, let me know. I just have $1,000 here sleeping. I can transfer this money, of course, back here, but I have it here because I really want to maybe do something there also. So let me know if that's something you really have interest about. We can throw some robot, we can do manual trading, whatever you want. If enough people want it, I do it. So now, from 23 of October, let's get to that date. From that date, I will start to have 2 live session trading binder option. First, my time zone, 7:30 to 8:30 GMT -3. I will do trading live for IQ Sense. Okay, you find a link below the video if you want to be a part of that live sessions. We have made a lot of money there. There also we are not trading on OTC market. Then around 4 hours after, I'm guessing I will do. 4 or 5 hours. I will start trading live for pocket option not on OTC. I will trade on the regular market. You see in Saturday, of course, you can only trade OTC, but I will trade on the regular market Monday till Friday there also. So there will be 2 live sessions. So till then, make sure that you sign up with this broker. It's very easy to follow my trades. You can just join me on the live session I do in Monday in IQ Sense. I think I will do my live sessions on YouTube, on both live sessions on YouTube first. Later on, when we start to get a lot of people following me, and I start to see that these people also join me in Discord, we will start moving all over to Discord, because Discord is a better quality. We have a very good sound quality, much better screen quality, and third, and the best thing, is no delay on my trades. Basically, all my trades are done when I push the button, and you will see the same. It's not like it's a lag. YouTube have a lag of a few seconds. So, but even though it's a lag, it's still possible to follow me. So, for example, here, let's remove this line here. I would have said like, no, of course you're far away, but let's see the bar was around here. I would say, okay, if you come down to this line there, and I would say, if people don't see it, I would say 16.793 will take a push up. So when this bar then come down to this line here, we just push up, and it's on 1 minute close. So it's super easy to follow, okay? So once again, make sure you sign up with the super link you find below the video. Make sure you sign up and down another broker also, because till 23 of October, the reason I'm coming back from a holiday, that's why that is that date, by the way. I don't want to put too much work on myself on the holiday, but I will keep another live session. But till then, I will not trade more on pocket option. So pocket option from 23 of October, make sure you sign up with this broker, take advantage. I'm not sure I will give away a super account like this, because the reality is also, when I give a super account, I'm losing affiliate income myself. So it's not something I'll do forever. For now I do it, but probably not forever. So if you want a super account, make sure you take advantage now. So with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you all in Monday if you want to join me on another live stream.